Mayapabengi po kay kayo, and it's now sunset here in Pampanga, and we're down to our final game for tonight. Ako po ang inyong lingkod Ryan para sa ating Delta Cup 2023. Game 6 of 6, it's gonna be Santa Rita versus Santo Tomas, both in light and green jerseys. Now, reviewin natin yung mga results kanina. First game, nanalo po ang Mabalacat laban sa Mexico. Second game, nanalo naman ang Guagua laban sa Masantol. Third game, Santa Rita routed Arayat 85-65. Fourth game, Florida Blanca beating Sasmuan 72-63. And just recently, Apalit beating their opponents 78-68. Now, on this particular game, ang pinaka-importante dito, both of them are on a losing streak. One of them will march on the win column. Ang makikita natin dito sa Santo Tomas, how they gonna fare pagdating sa dulo, because almost all their losses are very dikit. As compared naman dito sa Santa Ana, their only problem is that marami silang nai-incur the fouls. So that last game, we see a lot of fouls. So, this is the final game for this weekend sa ating Delta Cup. Santa Ana versus Santo Tomas in just a few minutes. Stay with us. And of course, before we give you to our officials, starters for Santo Tomas, on the guard spot, we have Mercado, Lyson, center is G. Mercado, forward is Pahilan, and the forward is Johnson. Santa Ana, we have Balahaja, Ignacio, Malyari, Peña, and Santiago. Again, it's been a pleasure to cover you these 6 games, or a total of 12 from this weekend. And abangan niyo po ang mga susunod na days ng ating Delta Cup. Stay with us, please. Okay, mga kababayan, we're moments away on starting this 6th of 6 game for today. Starting fives natin. Let's start the ball game now. And for the protagonist, Santa Ana, they're wearing in dark-colored uniforms. Samantalang Santo Tomas naman, they're wearing in light-colored uniforms. The starters are as follows. Binanggit ko kanina, si number 7, si number 9, number 6, number 10, number 0. That's Peña, Santiago. We have Ignacio, number 18, and number 0. Para naman sa Santo Tomas, we have Chongzon, Lyson, Mercado, the other Mercado. There are 2 Mercados. Mercado brothers are now about to start. So, for the last time for this week, 11 games have passed. This is the 12th and final game for this weekend. First quarter action. Woo! I want to thank the Lord Almighty for this very, very good blessing. And of course, our team na napakamasipag, our Delta team, composed of Technical Director Jetro, Slomo Ops Wency, Graphic Operations Luis, Cameraman Alex, Paulo Apeng. Balong is on the other league. FL Director Panel, of course, kasama ko dito si Israel and ating PA na si Philip. And of course, gigit uli natin from Alwin, happy Mansari kay Karen Molano. What a team. They are very, very industrious. Judge orders the count. 30 seconds gone by. Oh, this is the rare case. A rare case of 5-second inbound violation. Direct na experience mo yun. 5-second violation. Samantala, Santa Ana will get the basketball back. Wala pa pong score ang bakunan. Whoops. Mayroon tayong agaw. And we'll go back to Arayat. Here it comes. Some pressure defense from the white shirts. Ito na yung atake. Pasok yan. That's Balahadja. Draws first blood in this ball game. Watching 1 minute gone by. Mercado drives. Uy! There is an offensive foul. It's on Chongson. That's his first. Let's see that on the slow-mo. Ayun, tinulak niya. Tinulak niya yung defender. That's a clear call by the reps. Cross-court pass. Here it comes. Malyari drives, back dribble. Touch passing. The spin move. Batted away. Here's the fast break for Santo Tomas. Mercado miss it. Tepen by Chongzon. So pareho nang nakascore ang magkabilang kupunan sa ating main game. Malyari lays it up. That's the easiest bucket so far. Layup by Malyari. 4-2 sa count. Lawson. Here's Chongzon. Shot clock now a problem. Down to 7 seconds. Lyson. One-handed shot. It drops. That's a tough shot. 7:54 in the first quarter. Malyari can't pull the trigger. Here it comes. He aims it. It's short. Rebound. Napunta pa rin ng Santa Ana. Fresh 14. Careful aim from three-point country. Rattles out for Malyari. Kyongson. Santo Tomas and Santa Ana tied at 4 apiece. There's a three-point shot that goes out for Lyson. Fast break. Inside. Peña is open. You see that body English there, di na pumasok. Time remaining 6:57. Shot clock now at 10. Philam. Lyson. Here's the three ball. It's out. Chongson offensive board inside the paint. Rattles out. Ball goes back to Santa Ana. A layup is scored. (6-4) now. Mercado launches. Air balls the three. Shot clock a problem now. Down to 7 seconds. Down to 5. They need to put it up. Here it comes. Fast break. Mercado scores. All right. Santo Tomas now bringing up the ball. Oh, nice drive there. Oh, Mintis. Nagkakagulo sa loob. Inside pass. Banging bodies. Block. Shot clock is about to expire. They need to put it up. Short. No look pass. Mercado will score plus a foul. Here's the replay. Basket counts. Free throws now. And Mercado splits. They're tied at 8 points. .50. Shot clock now a problem. 8 seconds. They need to put it up. Corner jumper. No soak. Ito na Santo Tomas. Looking for cutters. Mercado drives. There's a foul. Here we have a substitution. Lyson upo muna. Unproductive trust for him. Inside. Here we go. That's a textbook give and go play. You know, Miranda sees two players, Balahadja and Santiago for a cut. Santiago breaks loose. And he finds his way to the hole. 10-8 is our count. 3:47. Passing play now for Santo Tomas. They're sensing that Santa Ana wants to bounce back from the huge defeat. Gomez for 3. And Santa Ana on the run. Miranda can engineer this fast break. He stops. Waits for his teammates. Time remaining is 3:27. Miranda sizing up. Looking for cutters. 9 on the shot clock. Santiago quickly. Baseline. Shot clock down to 5. It's now a problem. They need to put it up. Santiago, 1 second. Almost, but not quite. Now, Santo Tomas will slow it down. Mercado. Zapata, corner 3. That's long. Balahadja will drive. 3 ball. It's good. Malyari scores. And the lead of Santa Ana is 5. 13-8. Approaching 2.5 minutes first quarter. Zapata. 10 on the shot clock. Corner 3. And the ball will stay with the white shirts. They have 5 seconds on the shot clock. Five on the shot clock. Here's the inbound. Gomez, 3, corner, short. Ball will stay with Santo Tomas. Drop pass to Lopez. Lopez scoops it up and in. 10-13, Santo Tomas down by 3 points. Approaching 2 minutes and change in the first quarter. Santos spots. Back irons it. Inside play, intercepted to the wrong guy. Fast break for Santo Tomas. Hipolito inside, drops it off. Nice play. Finding an open Zapata. 12-13 now, just a 1-point deficit for Santo Tomas. 1 minute and 30. Trap from the corner. 3 ball. No soak. Ball batted away. It's loose. Picked it up. Santiago. Shot clock. 9 seconds. 3 ball once again. Now. Santo Tomas on the one. 4-on-2 situation. Zapata is on the beeline to the basket. And suddenly, the white shirts on the group. Santo Tomas 14-13 with 1:09 remaining in the first. This play says everything. Zapata's exploits propels them with a 1-point lead, a minute and 9. (14-13) back to live action. This is the main game of our 6-game affair, and this is our last game for a weekend. We covered 12 games back to back. A minute remaining. Santa Ana down by a point. Balahadja, ball almost yanked away. Thought about the 3. 50 seconds. Nice drop pass. Perfect execution by Santa Ana. That deserves a second look. Here's the replay. Whoops. Try it again, Direk. Here's the drive. The drop to Santos and a foul by number 9, Lopez. And it's a 3-point play completion. The lead is 2 for Santa Ana. 16-14. 41 ticks first quarter. Zapata. Swinging around on the left wing. Drives. Hang time. No. Santa Ana, good closeout on those cutters. 33 seconds remaining. Shot clock's now at 10 seconds. Shot clock down to 5. They need to put it up. Are they aware of the shot clock? Uh-oh. 1 second. Just in time. 5 seconds to go. From the corner, 3 ball. It's out. Santa Ana 16. Santo Tomas 14. Before we end and close curtains for the sports quarter action of this main game of Delta Cup, let's watch some of the highlights that we prepared for you for this first quarter of Santa Ana, Santo Tomas. First is this basket. And on the other side for Santa Ana is this Nolo pass. Second quarter coming up, 16-14 Santa Ana. Back to live action. We're now on the conclusion of this weekend broadcast. I want to personally thank these three people that I have in mind. First of all, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Dakal salamat po, sir, sa pag-bring nyo sa amin dito na maging commentator for this Delta Cup Elimination 1 until the playoffs, or before the playoffs. And of course, the Sinagdiga Asha Chairman Rocky Chan for allowing me to do this. And of course, ating commissioner na in attendance ngayon, ang ating commissioner sa Delta Cup, Coach Leo Isaac. Second quarter is now underway. Baseline drive, thwarted, aborted. Great defense by two men of Santa Ana. 14-16 is the count. It's a 2-point Santa Ana lead. 9:43 remaining the second quarter. Inbound for the white shirts. David moves out. Drop pass to Mahiti. No. Celis turns around. No soak. Galang grabs the rebound for the green shirts of Santa Ana. 16-14. There's a switch. He drives. Kick out. 3-ball. It's good! Off the glass! Oh, Austria. Surprise hit. 19-14, 3-point shot. Oh, surprise hit. Both teams now shooting pretty well from 3-point region, and we have a stepping violation by Santa Ana. Inbound. Corner 3. Nothing. Tip in. Won't go. Soliman brings it downtown for Santa Ana. Alfaro signaling play number 1. Shot clock now at 10 seconds. Austria knows it. Drives from the corner. One-handed shot. It goes! Great methodical offense by Santa Ana. Santo Tomas now in the possession. They're down by 4, 17-21. Time remaining, 8:19 remaining. Oh! Back-to-back 3-point shots for Santo Tomas. One on the corner, one on the left wing. And Santo Tomas pressing the ball carrier. And they cross the 8-second line. The lead is 1, 21-20. Right wing. Drive by Austria. Forces it. Draws a foul. Two free throws now for Austria. Pretty good shooter. For the statures, hitting 75%. Second free throw is good. (23-20). Celis. David, trap. Silvestre. Mercado drops it off. Silvestre scores! Wow, nice defense by Santa Ana. Silvestre finding underplans, dodging a bullet on that one. And now the press is on. Alfaro almost lost it. And they lost it completely. From the corner, Celis. Double team. Mercado. Mahiti. Tightly guarded, and it's a holding foul on Alfaro. Very clearly automated, by the way. (23-22). Silvestre. Put back. No. And we have a close encounter here in this main game. Bounce pass. Malyari. Kick out. Batted away. Jumper. It's good. That's Galang with the basket. 25-29. Corner three. Short. Santo Tomas still has it. Fresh 14. They don't waste time. They didn't hit it. Block shot. Silvestre still has it. Mercado can't buy it. One more serving. Santo Tomas has 5 offensive rebounds. They score! Santo Tomas with a capital T. Tenacity off the boards. Watch this. 5 offensive rebounds. And Santana presses the timeout buzzer. We have witnessed the offensive exploits of Santo Tomas. 5 offensive rebounds in one play. How about that, Direk? Their tenacity and mind on offensive boards has showed this on full display. And that man has a chance for a 3-point play opportunity. Free throw is good. Split charities there. Here's Malyari. The lead is 2 for Santa Ana. They're being embattled all day long. And there's a foul. Malyari for 3. No. Rebound. Still Santa Ana. A rare offensive rebound for the green shirts. Baseline. Intercepted. And here comes Santo Tomas. 2-point game. Mercado will not receive the pass. Lyson brings it up. He's been trapped. And here's Mercado, the big guy. Shot clock now at 7. Here's the drive inside the paint. No. Rebound, Santana. Malyari will now bring it up. Very closely fought game and very low scoring as well. We're now on 4 minutes and 52 marks. Still the score is almost unchanged. Shot clock at 7. Jumper. No. Here we go. Here's the drive. The runner. It goes. Tie game at 27. Malyari signaling play number 2 for Santa Ana. Three ball. Rattles out. Santo Tomas has a chance to grab the lead for the very first time in this game. One-handed shot, no. Malahadya restores the lead back for Santa Ana by 2. All right, we have a ceasefire in the action, 29-27. 3 minutes and 47. This is going to be a good one. Three and 47 remaining in the first half of action. Closely fought encounter, 2-point lead for Santa Ana. From the baseline, he's wide open. I'm not gonna make it. Three and 31 to go. Shot clock a problem now at 8 seconds. Turnover. Here we go. The drive. Batted away. Fast break now for Santa Ana. Batted away again. You see how fast these people here. Inbound. 2-point game once again. 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes to go in the first half. Eight seconds. Nope. Shot is no good. Go back to Santa Ana. Miranda will bring it down for Santa Ana. 2 minutes and 37. Second quarter action of this 12-game Saturday and Sunday broadcast. Finally, we are on the conclusion of this weekend broadcast. A steal. Chance for the tie. They do. Well, the coaches signaling if there's a foul, but the referees have no call. Tied game at 29. 2 and 12 to go. Back pass. Shot clock violation. Slap against Santa Ana. Less than 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Oh! Another infraction for Santo Tomas. This time, number 2 player, Lyson, was called for traveling. Minute and a half remaining in the second quarter. Tie game at 29. Game is still undecided. We're still far. We're still in the first half. The drop pass, batted away. White shirts can't handle it. They will stay with the green shirt. Shot clock is about around 14 seconds, probably. They have ample time. Oh, it's a block. Oh, referee says there's a foul. Okay. Let's see that again in the replay. Oh, that happened. Now the players can see it right now. Here it comes. Ah, yes, there is a foul. He bumped on the player after the release. So that's a good call by referee Bertie Suga. Two free throws now. Nope. Miss again. Three free throw miss by Miranda. Wow. Well, free throw is his Waterloo, huh? A minute remaining in this first half. Shot clock, now a problem. 8 seconds. Down to 5. Down to 2. He beats the shot clock and there's a foul at the shot clock expired. Free throws now for Santo Tomas. Finally, they take the lead. Running out of Boca Conce in the first half. One more serving for Santo Tomas. 1 point game now. 45 seconds to go in the first half of action. Miranda signaling play number 5. 14 to shoot now. Lance drop pass. Perfect execution for Santa Ana. And we have a timeout called by Santa Ana. 28 seconds to go. 31 to 30. Back to live action. We're down to the last 28 seconds. And of course, our cameraman guys will try to find out those lucky ones who will be caught on camera here at the Renzi Young Convention Center. Santo Tomas will inbound on the backcourt. Pressure is on. Pressing the ball carrier, and he got a steal. Miranda. Miranda will drive. And it's another foul. That's only the 14th foul for Santo Tomas. Inbound for Santa Ana. Tight defense there by Santo Tomas. 15 seconds to shoot. Here's the drive, the kick out. Nice pass inside. No. Put back. It's there. 2 seconds. That might be it. Santa Ana not giving up on that last play. They are up by 3, 30 to 30. As we bring to you the first half highlights of some of the best that we have after 20 minutes of playing time. We'll take a look at this in just a short while before we move into a halftime break. One of them is this 3-point shot converted off the glass for Santa Ana, and for Arayat, or for Santo Tomas rather, 3-point shot as well. Both teams playing pretty good in 3-point territory. And we'll see in the second half if they continue to do so as Delta Cup will finally resumes after this last halftime break.
name is Dave.
Ito na po ang ating huling halftime highlights for our weekend broadcast ng ating Pampanga Inter-Municipality-Cities Basketball Tournament, also known as Delta Cup. Let's watch this highlights. Santo Tomas versus Santa Ana, as our halftime score stands at 33-30. The drop pass, perfect execution by Mercado. And on the other side, Malyari with a sidestep beauty. Also, another great drop pass, back pass inside. For another basket for Santo Tomas, and this time the baseline jumper converted. And let's see now the leading scorers for both squads. Zapata with 7, Maniti with 5, Silvestre with 5 for Santo Tomas. 8 point each for Balahaje and Malyari for Santa Ana, and Austria at 6. We still have 2 minutes and 28 to go. We shall be right back for the third quarter action. Stay tuned for Delta Cup. All right, we're 1 minute away to start this third quarter. Again, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nanood sa live stream. And I can't believe that we've come to this end for this week of broadcast. Probably next week we will have an announcement what will be the next games of Delta Cup. And it's a pleasure to work with you as a solo anchor for the past 3 weeks. Ako po ninyong lingkod, Ryan Parra. Welcome to the second half of this basketball action featuring Santo Tomas and Santa Ana, and welcome to the third quarter of basketball. Peña, he finds an open guy, and he won't be denied with a great up fake. Nice pass by Peña. Let's watch this. This 3-point play opportunity. Direct, let's roll it. Here's the play of the back cut. Oh, nicely done. Nice up fake. 3-point play completed. At lamang po ang Santa Ana ng 5 points. 35-30. Corner shot. No, he will not shoot it. And turnover. Di nahabol. Out of bounds. It goes back to the other way. (35-30). The drop pass. No. Here's the drive. Oh, what a drive. Goes left, drives right. That's Philam with a basket. 35-32. Baseline. He's open. 18-footer. Nope. And we have a foul. 3-point lead now for Santa Ana. And Santo Tomas still in the coattails. Close game here in the third quarter. Nice hustle. Oh, 8-second violation. Great defensive stance there. Seconds on the shot clock now for Santa Ana. From the baseline, there's a clear out. What a nice spin! Great play. 5-point game for Santa Ana. They continue to trap the ball carrier. It's a tripping violation. Santa Ana clamped their teeth on defense. Santa Ana now with the possession. .16 to shoot. 8 minutes remaining. Fast. Oh, almost a turnover. The runner. No. Rebound control for the Santo Tomas. Slow down tempo now for Santo Tomas. They are on a 5-point deficit. 3-point shot won't work. Nice offensive rebound. Block shot. Great block. Oh, 2 players down on the floor. Oh, Balahaja slightly hurts his hamstring on that fall. So we're going to take a look at this. Last bit of action in slow-mo. Ah, bad collision between the foot of Silvestre and the foot of Balahaja. Sakit nun. 7.5 remaining in this third canto. On the right wing. Here's a 3-point shot on its way. Voila. Battle for the rebound. Oh, nice tip in. Nobody backs him out. 39 to 32. Three minutes. Fast break. It is a finish. Oh! Ah, bad break for Malyari as he was called for traveling. And let's see that again. He's wide open, but he got half step of that traveling error. Timeout. (39 to 32). Nagbabalik po tayo dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. It is a 7-point game para sa Santa Ana. Santo Tomas with the possession. (10 on the shot clock. Bounce pass. Nobody receive it. Nagkagulo. 6:19 in the first quarter. Eight on the shot clock. Jumper. Wala. Hindi. Oh, somebody's hurt on that fall after that foul. He's a bit shaken on that left foot. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Here's the drive. Oh, medyo na hyperextended yung tuhod. Ouch. Ow. All right. Zapata misses. And now the green shirts have the leader for Santa Ana. 7-point lead. Starter step. Oh! Nakalusot! Yeah! Nice move! Counter steal. 4-point swing. And suddenly Santa Ana with the biggest lead at 11. Woo! I wanna see that replay. Direk, ganda naman ang galaw na yon. 43-32. The lead is 11 now for Santa Ana. Jumper. 5:21. Tough defense being put up by White. Time to shoot. 5 to shoot. Ah, nice pass. Ay, reverse layup is a bit too short. And now, Santo Tomas. Ah, bad pass. That's a bad pass. .439 remaining. It's an 11-point lead. Nice fake! That's how you blow by the defense. 4:25 remaining in the third. Now, important thing here for Santo Tomas is to make sure that they don't incur a lot of turnovers. That's what's the problem of rather Santo Tomas. Cut! Basket and one. Santiago, right place at the right time. This is the best quarter so far for Santa Ana in a long time. The previous meeting, Santa Ana had bad third quarter, but this time they make good. Replay shows Santiago exploit and a foul against number 11 of Santo Tomas. 3-point play completed. Baseline. Good ball movement, but a missed shot by Santo Tomas from the left flank. Another fast break. Balahadya misfires from point blank. Miranda with a hustle. Miranda was whacked. Now Miranda hasn't scored yet at the free throw line. He missed all 3 shots. Some substitutions for both squads. Finally, Miranda makes one. He missed 3 last time out on the first half. He's now 1 of 4 tonight for Miranda. One of 5. It's a lane violation. Tahiti. Double team. Baseline. Nicely done. Sidestep. Beauty. But still an 11-point deficit staring on Santo Tomas straight in their faces. 36-47. No, Polito with a heist. He drops it out to his teammate. Basket and 1. And Santo Tomas with a 5-point cluster. Replay shows unselfish play. Polito gets the basket and 1 for Santiago. We have a timeout. We'll be right back. You know, if you want to be a great broadcaster and storytelling, watch Seb Sarmenta or Quinito or Dr. Jadiba, how the storytelling, and that's why I want to learn from the masters here. So far, the game story. Santa Ana had a good run at the start. Now Santo Tomas with a 5-point cluster. He can get it to 6 if he made this. No. 47-30. And now Santo Tomas chanting defense. Baseline. And that's a good call by the reps. No basket. Stepping on the line. The ball is already out of bounds. Mahiti. Mercado. Back to Mahiti. Bad pass. On a safety trail. Ignacio catches it. Oh, top shot, top basket by Soliman. Outstretched arms of Santo Tomas. He defied him. Hipólito. Corner. Goes over the board and missed. Santa Ana now with the basketball. They're up by 11. Another trap with the ball carrier. And there's a foul. Two shots now for Santa Ana. 11-point edge. Well, that's the only thing that Santo Tomas are hoping that in the latter part of this game, Santa Ana could miss a lot of free throws and have a golden chance to come back. And 2 missed free throws again. 2 minutes remaining in this third. Last touch by Santa Ana. It will read about 13 seconds on the shot clock for Santo Tomas. And a steal by Santa Ana. Here it comes. Got it to go. Soliman unleashing his second half onslaught. 4 baskets. 13 points. Another steal, Soliman. What a third quarter is getting. 10 points for Soliman in the third quarter. 15-point lead. And there's a foul. Johnson, foul. And there's offensive foul. Drive inside. Wow! Santa Ana has all answers to those comeback aspirations of Santo Tomas back at 17. This game is running on spurts, mostly of Santa Ana, but there's a foul underneath. And so far, the score off the bench for Santa Ana has been extremely important, especially Soliman. Look at this, third quarter Soliman, 10 points in the third quarter. That's big for Santa Ana. 2 free throws made, 55-41, back to a 14-point Santa Ana lead. 40 ticks to go, and after this, we'll bring you the final quarter. Zigzag, Alford, nowhere to go, pass inside. Oh! What a flip. 57-41. Nicely done. Left-handed layup. Time down to 17 seconds. Shot clock is off. Santa Ana will go for the last play. Right, the last sentence of the third chapter. Alford, double team. Soliman with a breakout game. Galang with 7 seconds. Puts it up. No. Time down to 3 seconds. Down to 2. Down to 1. They need to put it up. Not enough time. Santa Ana 57, Santo Tomas 43. Let's have some of the highlights of this third quarter, especially Soliman, who has been unbelievable in this third, scoring 10 points of his. That propelled Santa Ana with a big 14-point margin. Let's see that. Look at this. An assist to Malyari. And for the other side, a basket. And that will be our third quarter. 57-43. Back for the payoff period. At ito na tayo mga kaibigan, mga kabarin. May tabengi po kayo gabing-gabi na. We are down to 10 minutes to decide if Santo Tomas can come back from this 14-point deficit or Santa Ana can cruise to this victory. Welcome po sa ating fourth quarter. Yes, fourth quarter na po tayo for our 12 games starting yesterday until tonight. Ako po si Ryan Pajaro for the Delta Cup basketball here in BREN, GUIAO, San Fernando City, Pampanga. Very first foul of this quarter coming from Santa Ana. $14 on the shot clock. Shot clock down to 10 now for the white shirts of Santa to Tomas. Shot clock down to 5. It's now a problem. He needs to put it up. Drive side. How many seconds on the shot clock now? It's about almost 2 seconds or 1 second. So this is a literally one dribble and catch it shoot situation. Here it comes. And it is a shot clock violation. Great defensive stance there by Santa Ana. Backcourt pressure now for the White. Still in the backcourt. They cross it. Layup now. Baseline. And Alforo was called for traveling. 9:12 remaining this fourth quarter. The game is not yet settled. And Santo Tomas trailing by a 14-point bubble. Baseline. Drop. Finger wall. Block. Great defensive stance. No call. Santa Ana has it. The pitch. And a stepping on the line. Galang. His foot is on the baseline. There's a pick. Layup is no good. And there's a foul on number 2074 or 26 of Santa Ana. So the ball goes back to Santo Tomas. DD's 14. 57-43. Corner 3. Rims out. Green shirts has it. Alforo. Burning rubber. Wants to go all the way. Yank that ball from behind. Kick ball. Goes back to Santo Tomas. Lamson. Inside. Partially deflected. Here's the drive. Yank it away, but there's a foul. Here's the replay. Look at that tough defense being put up by the green shirts. He literally rammed that player. Lead is 14. Fresh 14 on the shot clock. 10 seconds. Crossover. 5 on the shot clock. Sits the deck and there's a foul. Again. Let's see that again on the replay. Boom. Hits the deck and he's off balance. Two players ganging up on him. And back to live action. A basket converted by Santo Tomas. Santo Tomas chops down within 12. 45-57. 7:39 remaining in this fourth quarter. Mano-a-mano defense now by Santo Tomas. Alford drives. Hit off balance. Here's Domingo. Turnover. Parlan picks the ball up. One-handed. It goes in. And the lead is down to 10. Another foul. Crossover by Alford. And a foul on number 74. The coach is kind of upset. But he's cool as ice. He's rammed on the floor. Alford, tough shot. Go. Santo Tomas. On the momentum side, they just down by 10. Bad pass. They throw the ball away. Alford has it. Mad scramble. Two players diving for it. It's going to be a jump ball. Here's the replay. Oh, look at that. (57-47). Backcourt violation. (57-47). 6:37. Bounce pass. Hang time. Block. Great block. And now Santo Tomas holding on to his 10-point lead. We have a foul. Look at the guards. They're really tangling up each other. And referee Bert Isuga needs to be restrained on those two persons here. (57-47). Domingo has been silent this quarter after a 10-point third quarter performance. Miranda hits the deck, no call. And look at the guards, they're now tangling up. 3-point shot. It's a foul from 3-point country. Big break there for the part of Santa Ana. Silvestre goes out. And 3 free throws will be awarded for this guy. It's a 10-point game. Nice stroke. Second is good. It's now 47-59. The lead is 12. Miss. 59-47. 5:54 remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Baseline drive. He's wide open. Jump shot. Nice shot. 10-point game now. Oh, almost a turnover. Domingo will slow it down. We're approaching the halfway point of this ball game. Lob pass. Baseline drive. Ported. Shot clock. A problem now. 7 seconds. Down to 5. He was blocked. 2.3 seconds on the shot clock. .3 in the shot clock. They need to put it up. Are they aware of it? No! Shot clock violation against Santa Ana. Ten-point game. Game is not over. 3-point shot, Limestone. No. Pitch to Domingo. Oh, what a nice catch! What a pass! Oh, Soliman with an eye-catching catch. And the lead now is 12. Santa Ana 61. Santo Tomas 49. Time down to 4 minutes and 45. The jump shot is air ball. And here's Santa Ana on a fast break. Here it comes. Miranda sidestep. He was blocked, but there's going to be a possession stayed on the part of Santa Ana. You know, Santo Tomas has a chance of coming back, but they just have problems taking care of the basketball. Those turnovers in the middle part of this quarter propel for another 4-point cluster for Santa Ana. The lead now is 12, and we have a substitution on the floor. Suleiman is one of the prime candidates of the best player of the ball game. He had a productive third quarter with 10. Galang lost it. And here's Santo Tomas. Lyson. Inside. Double team. Philam. Running shot. No. 61-49. The lead is 12. Time down to 4 minutes and 17. Another backcourt violation by Santa Ana. (61-49). Pawilan. Inside. Nice pick. Oh, yeah. Basket. Back to a 10-point game. Santo Tomas hanging on, never giving up. They try their darn best to come back in this hole. There's a pick provided. Here's the penetration blocked by Zapata. Fast break for Santo Tomas. Down to an 8-point game. Zapata scores again. 3 minutes and 33. Hold on to your 6 Kapampangans. This is a treat for you for this 6-game broadcast today and yesterday. Another turnover for Santa Ana. Zapata with a pass inside. No! He blew it. Frustration foul. Almost a basket. And that puts Santo Tomas in penalty situation. Now Santa Ana, as we reviewed this last half, missed about 5 or 6 free throws down the stretch, especially Miranda. If they want to get afloat against Santo Tomas, they need to be consistent in free throw shooting that they were given by Santo Tomas. Malyan is a little bit tired. The lead is 8 points. That lead is not safe. 3 minutes and 16 in this ball game. Still far-fetched. Yes. The lead is 8 points for Santa Ana. 3 and 10 remain in this ball game. Philam. Turnover. Three minutes remaining. Baseline, reverse. The lead is 7. Time is on the side of Santo Tomas. They can still come back. Zapata, tight defense being put up. And Silvestre with a steal. And they can get this basket. Celis scores. The lead now is down to 7. Or it's down to 5. Santa Ana presses the timeout. But what a comeback by Santo Tomas. And we will have this timeout. But let's enjoy this last bit of action as they cap on an 8-0 run. Nicely done. Now, game reset. Cabalens, Santa Ana has 2 more timeouts to call. Santo Tomas has 1. Both teams now in penalty situation. So, anybody's ball game from here on in with 2 minutes and 37 seconds. The press is on. Santa Ana now with that possession. Top defense being put up by Philam. on the outside. Spin, turn, puts it up. Top shot, no. Rebound. Zapata. And we are approaching our twilight zone. I'm going to stand up because this is going to be an exciting finish once again, just like the last 3 games. Philip drives. No call. Shot clock, a problem now. 10 seconds. Open shot goes. Zapata, last 2 minutes. Brought to you by Molten, the official ball of Delta Cup. 62 Santa Ana, 59 Santo Tomas. And now the press is on. Guard now of Santa Ana has it. Malyari on the right wing. He's now top of the keyhole now. Shot clock down to 10 seconds. There's Malahaja pick. Pick utilizes. Malyari on the outside. Check in, make move. Shot clock down to 3. Down to 2. Down to 1. He needs to put it up. Malyari scores! 60.59. 5-point game. Philam has it. Now to Santo Tomas. Zapata. They will slow down the tempo. Shot clock now at 15 seconds. Here's Pahilam now. Shot clock down to 10 seconds. Philam drives. He's wide open. Partially deflected. Rebound controlled by Santa Ana. And there's going to be a foul. Direk, can we replay that last basket of Santa Ana? That could have been a backbreaker there. That last layup. Here it comes. Wow! Malyari gives them the cushion that they need. 65-69. $65-59, a 6-point game. Got it for Galang. 7-point game. 66-59. It's gonna be either number 2 player of Santa Ana or number 4 of Santa Ana might be the best player, but I will decide in the next minute who will be. It's hard to tell. 66-59. We're not gonna go on break. We're gonna stay afloat on the air. So the winner's circle, let me repeat for those people who just tuned in. First game, Mabalacat wins. Second game, it's Guagua. Third game is Santa Rita. Fourth game is Florida Blanca. And fifth game previous to this is Apari. Those are the winner's circle. And this lady is enjoying a smartphone selfie. And this young mom has his baby, and they enjoy this pleasantries here at the BREN Convention Center. Hello po mga kabalin, Matiat Kabepiku. Maya pabengi po kayo mga kabalin. Ryan Paro here doing the commentaries, and of course our Team Delta team, Technical Director Jetro, Slomo Ops Wensi, Graphics Operation Luis, Cameraman Alex Paulo Apeng, and our Floor Director, the hardworking Floor Director Israel, Public Address or the PA, Philip. And of course, Direct Alden Alejo, Commissioner Leo Isaac, who's been here since yesterday, Manning, and of course, Sinagliga Chairman Rocky Chan, and of course, the man of the hour, the man of the moment, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And of course, greet from Aldrin, happy Mansari kay Karen Molano. Back to live action.
Number 2, yung nakascore mo naman. Go ahead, number 2.
A minute and 13 remaining. Mercado. 7-point game. Larison, no. Rebound. Nakuha pa rin ng Santo Tomas. 3-point shot from the right corner. Yes! The game is not over. This is just a 4-point game. 66-62, a minute remaining. It's going to be offensive foul on Malyari. Offensive foul. Spring of hope for Santo Tomas. 4-point game. They got possession. Shot clock at 14. Both teams in penalty. 2 more timeouts to call on both teams. Inbound. Santo Tomas. They need to score in this possession. Here it comes. Baseline drive. Side step. He gets away. He gets away. 2-point game. 53 seconds. Here it comes. Santa Ana has the basketball, 50 seconds to go. He will drive hard. Number 18 drives side to the hole. There's no foul. There's a putback inside. Hook shot. He was fouled. 2 free throws. Peña. Right place at the right time. Right place at the right time for that hook shot. Let's see that again in slow-mo. After the rebound, he gets it, and there's a foul. 66 Santa Ana, 64 Santo Tomas. Peña, first free throw. It's good. 67-64. If he makes this, this will be a two-possession game. Time remaining is 43.4 seconds. Miss. Just a one-possession game. 67-64. 41 seconds. Here's Lyson on the left wing. Balling handling for Santo Tomas. He drives out. Lyson drops it off. Inside pass. No. Tip in. Yes. Nice tip in by Lyson. 67-66. Timeout called for Santa Ana. What a comeback by Santo Tomas. 6 straight points in the last 2 minutes. Could this be the same intensity, the same flair, the same finish of Lubao and Porac? I can't tell. But what I can only tell you in this Delta Cup, these teams work so hard. And credit this to our beloved Governor Delta Pineda to bring this platform from Pampanga to the world via social media. Pampanga Information Office, Sinagniga Asha, thank you so much. And I'm going to say this again from the last November 5 broadcast. I will save the best for last. We're not going to take a break. We're not going to take over. Let's enjoy this final 29.5 seconds of this another classic game. And here's the crowd of the BREN Convention Center. They're enjoying every moment. All right, Santa Ana. I think Santa Ana, how many timeouts they have? Wala na? Santo Tomas has one more. Okay. All right. And of course, my mentor, Seb Sarmiento, will be happy if they watch this. Here we go. Backcourt pressure, Santa Ana. All they need to do to stick in the basketball. Here's the full court pressure. They still on the backcourt. Here it comes, Santa Ana. Crosses the 8-second line. There's a trap. Mercado, tightly guarded, no foul. Shot clock now is at 10 seconds. On the corner, Zapata, tight defense. Shot clock at 7. Jump shot by Galang. Yes! Galang scores! Marginal basket! From 20 feet, that shot is straight and through. Timeout by Santo Tomas. I want to see the replay. How Santa Ana perfectly executed that play from the strong side to the weak side. Watch this again. 20-footer on its way. Bullseye! Bullseye! Wow! 3-point. And Commissioner Leo Isaac is so happy that for the second straight time, the second Sunday, that's November 5, we have a thriller. And today, November 19, we have another thriller. I can call this the thriller in Pampanga. I repeat, thriller in Pampanga. Now, game reset. Both teams had no more timeouts. Both teams are in team foul trouble. This, guys, watching in the BREN Convention Center, so happy to see this classic game once again. 10.4 seconds. The shot clock is off. 10.4 seconds. This is a one-possession game. What Santo Tomas need is a three-point shot to tie. Three-point shot to tie. Here we go. 10 seconds. Looking for an inbound. Here it comes. 9 seconds to go. Looking for Carter. Nowhere to go. Here's Lyson. Three-point shot. No. Para for the rebound. Greensian has it. 1 second to go. 2.2 of the second. That shot is good line. It just went out. It just back iron. And Santa Ana can hold this. Let's see that again in slow-mo. First, Malyari scores on the goal basket, and then he scored a jumper. Those two crucial finishes by Malyari will propel him to the best player honors with 2/10 of the second to go. He will miss this. Game over. Santa Ana wins 69-66. Number 2 Malyari will be the best player. We will interview this in a short while, and that concludes our 12-day game, Saturday and Sunday broadcast. I shall return to wrap things baby up.
Number 8, Malyari. 8.
Yung tumira ng jump shot. John Gala. This guy has guts. He scored the jump shot, 24 on the right corner. Ilang di pa lang sa atin dito. 69-66 na the final score. Streaker win by Santa Ana. John, tell us about that jump shot.
Wala po. Wala na pong option kaya tinira ko na. Kaya yun na po, pumasok. Salamat po kay God.
Yung mga ganyang ball games ba, pag nakaharap nyo ang Lubao, ang mga Porac, San Fernando, mag-boost ba ito ng confidence as a team and as a whole?
Yes po. Hello.
At para sa iyo, ano yung mga kailangan mo pang ma-improve sa laro as we take a look at these highlights?
Yung pong depensa, tsaka po yung rebound, box out,
And of course, with that, dahil ikaw ang best player ng ball game, makakataon ng pati. Salamat sa ating mga fans, lalo na sa Santa Ana. Go ahead.
Shout out po sa mga pamilya ko, pati sa team ko, lalo na po sa girlfriend ko, AJ Tabagan po. Thank you po.
Salamat kayo. Congratulations, Mr. Galang. That wraps it up for our 12-day broadcast, 12-game broadcast, Saturday and Sunday. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating Delta Cup mula dito sa Pampanga for all the hardworking men and women of our production team of Delta Cup. In behalf of Commissioner Leo Isaac, in behalf of all of these people who are hardworking since yesterday at sa mga susunod pa, this is Ryan Power saying, sports is life. Always use this for the glory of God. This has been the presentation of Delta Cup 2023 from GUIAO Convention Center here in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Dakal salamat kay kayo. Good night.